Stephanie with Digital Thinker, and today we're going to talk about audit trails. Audit trails are great because you're able to see maybe what a status was and who changed the status, or maybe you have a part description or a min-max and you want to know, hey, what was it? Who touched it? Who changed it? So it's very important that the system administrator who sets up the audit trails understand what tables they're pulling from and how it affects everything. So you don't want to put an audit trail everywhere, but there are some great places that will help you along the way. So for example, the one I'm going to show you today is work orders. So you want to select the work order menu. You want to click on work, and then you want to go down and select work orders. So these are my open work orders. So I'm going to click on one and see if any changes have been made to the statuses. So to get to audit trails, all you do is right click on the record view and you want to click audit trail. And you can see, hey, there's been some changes here. The event status, which is the work order status, has been changed. And you can scroll over and you can see, hey, it's been updated. Maybe there's something that's been inserted, or maybe a person's changed. You can see what the new value is compared to what the old value is. So audit trails are great. And you can kind of change up what is shown in the audit trail. You can see dates, times, everything associated with maybe there's a status change, and kind of like we talked about, maybe a min-max has changed. You can see those changes, who did them, and when it happened, which is great if you need to go back and follow up with something. And that is audit trails. So this is Stephanie with Digital Thinker. Have a great day.